Hello there. We will see how to change the spark plug cable of our 2001 model 1.6-liter Tofas Sahin injection vehicle. The product numbered TSPC024 will be installed on our vehicle. You can see the models that the product is compatible with here. It is important to change the cables one by one. In this way, we do not confuse the coil entries of the cables. Here we started with the longest cable. You can start with the shortest if you want. It is very important that all wires fit correctly to the spark plug and coil. Now we remove our second cable. We replace our TORk spark plug wire of the same size. You can watch our cable temperature test by clicking the link in the upper right corner. You can get information about our products on our website, which you will find in the description. Now we replace our last cable. Now we can start our vehicle. Thanks for watching.